let me open up a basic version of the wheel that has only the default configuration. I'll switch to the Configuration Manager. Let's begin by creating a larger diameter version of this wheel. Remember, right-click on the part icon in the top of the tree and select Add Configuration to create the new configuration. I'll give this new configuration a name. Type in a description and also a comment. The configuration name is simply a name that is saved for the configuration in the part. The document name does not change. Below the configuration properties are some more options. The Bill of Materials, or BOM options, is pretty self-explanatory. I can choose how I would like the part to show up in a SOLIDWORKS generated Bill of Materials. You can choose the document's name, configuration's name, or type in your own name. I'll choose to display the configuration name. Finally, there are some advanced options down here. By having this top option checked, Suppress Features, any new features added to other configurations will be suppressed in this configuration. The other option allows you to assign a different color to each configuration. I'll accept these options and create a new configuration by clicking on the green check. Notice now the default configuration is grayed out and the new configuration I just created is yellow. This indicates that the new configuration is active. Let's see how to go about creating a larger diameter of the wheel for this configuration. The process is really straightforward. I need to change the diameter of the value of the wheel which resides in the sketch of the first feature. I'll edit the sketch and increase the diameter value. Before I accept the new dimensional value, I can assign the new dimension to a configuration using this drop-down list. I'll choose this configuration and exit the sketch. The wheel becomes larger, as it should, because of the dimension change. If I activate the default configuration by double-clicking on it, or by right-clicking and selecting Show Configuration, I can see the new larger dimension has not been applied to the default configuration. Now, how about configuring the number of spokes? Well, I'll create a new configuration for a 6-spoke wheel. The spokes were created using a circular pattern, and the number of instances is simply a dimensional value. I'll increase the number of spokes to 6. Again, I have to specify the configuration I would like to affect. In this case, I'd like to apply this to the larger diameter configuration and the 6-spoke configuration. So I choose Specify Configuration and Accept. This window will allow me to select the configurations to affect. Use Control Selection to select multiple configurations. OK. Now when I switch between the configurations, notice the changes are applied correctly.